1, 2, 3, come on!
Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. In previous class, you have studied about the size and location of the India. In this class, we will talk about the boundary and neighbors of India, India and the world, and etc. India has total length of land boundary is about 15,200 kilometer. It means land boundary India has is about 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of coastline boundary is about 7,516.6 kilometer. India is also bounded. Bounded means from one side it is bordered with the mountain. In south, in 22-degree north latitude, you can see it become taper. Taper means sharper and extend toward the Indian Ocean and divide Indian Ocean in two seas. In the west, it is called Arabian Sea, and in the east, it is called Bay of Bengal. Now you must have listened about the extended meridian. Extended meridian is also an imaginary line which passed in India from Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So the whole India take time from the Mirzapur. Now India and the world. First of all, we will talk about the location of India in Asia. If you will see it from East to West Asia, then India has the central location in East and West Asia, between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continents. That means it is extend in southward. You also know about the history of India. Indian contact with the world have continued through age, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. That means India's contact to the world is from the ancient time, but the land route is much older than the maritime contact. Various ideas, thought we have exchanged to the world from ancient time. You know about our religious document that like Upanishad, Ramayanas and Panchatantra and etc. These documents and ideas we send to the world. Also some spices, muslins and etc. things are related to merchant also given to the world. You must have known about the Suez Canal. It was opened in 1869. Since the opening of Suez Canal, the distance between India and Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. It means after the opening of Suez Canal, the distance become reduced approx 7,000 kilometers. Now India's neighbors. You know, India is also a vast country. It has important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 territories, union territories according to 2019 and 20. India shares its boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, and China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. In south, there are two islands, which namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, where Maldives island are situated of the south of the Lakshadweep island. That means two island also shares its coastline boundary to the India, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel called Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. So this chapter has been completed. The question answer of this chapter will be provided in next class. So thank you.